It's the Miami Heat Live with LeBron James, Dwayne Wade, Chris Bosh.
Well, if it isn't our favorite celebrity, Amari Stoudemire.
Oh, this Brooklyn Nets starting out pretty okay day with the 3 pointer, and then boom, getting very scared and defending that Miami Heat, and pow, this are down by 12.
A basketball is like a flat circle. You know what my favorite team is? Dallas Buyers Club.
If they could turn over the ball, they could make a 3-point play.
The Cavaliers, right? Oh, if I could, they're the Cavaliers. I mean, Cleveland Cavaliers. They have. I can't even.
We haven't seen the Bulls' 6th man yet in this game. What happened to him? Is he missing? This team cannot rest until we find the 6th man.
This is so exciting. Later I'm going to take the winning team out for ice cream. Step, ball, change, step, ball, change, step, ball, shoot!
James Harden is expendable. Dwight Howard is expendable. Jeremy Lin is expendable.
Let's see if the Pelicans can make it work.
Hey, everyone loves me. But you know what everyone doesn't love? Kobe Bryant. Ma, Charles Barkley has nothing to eat over here. Come on, meatballs. Meatballs for Charles Barkley. Deborah. LeBron.
They say that America runs on Duncan, but today the Spurs are running on Tim Duncan.
Master Bruce, some men just want to watch the world play basketball.
What's new, basketball? Whoa, 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 whoa!
If you're looking for ball movement, I can tell you the Knicks haven't got any. What they do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills that mostly have to do with passing to Carmelo Anthony and then standing there and watching him shoot.